Rose downtown.
Our weather's quiet, but we got a lot to talk about. So there's the Max Track Live Doppler. What it's showing you is a few showers up in southern Ohio. Those are part of a system that's eventually going to go ahead and head our way. So there you see those. We may see a couple of showers around this weekend. Most folks will enjoy a dry weekend. Game day. Noon in the SEC. Whose bright idea was this to have a noon game in August? Anyway, plenty of sunscreen if you're going to be out there. Labor Day weekend, mostly terrific, but there are rain chances. Dorian, there's lots we know. It's going to be a major hurricane, big, strong storm. It's going to be a slow-moving storm. Lots we don't know. It's eventually going to make a turn. We do know that. What we don't know is where and when, and that plays the absolute key role into what the real-world results are going to be. We'll talk about all that coming up. 89 Bluegrass Airport, it is muggier today. You notice it out there on one of our last days of meteorological summer. Checking with the Kentucky Mesonet. You look around, we're at 85 in Owensville and Winchester, 87 coming out of Stanford. Boonville's at 87. McKee comes in 83. So storms were sitting out here to our west again. Boy, they've just seen wave after wave. As we've gone into this afternoon, what we've been seeing are a few little showers breaking out here in Indiana and Ohio. That front is trying to come our way. It's not going to get very far. This is 8 o'clock on the FUTURETRACK. We'll watch it drop just a little bit more to the south and then basically put the brakes on. So tonight those showers will go away. Now tomorrow there's 8 a.m. We start the day off fine. Front sitting just to our south, but by the afternoon, an isolated shower or two is possible. Almost all of us will end up staying dry. Same story on Sunday. The warm front goes back by, we get muggier, and there will be an isolated shower or two around. So let's take some looks here at Dorian. This is, again, the high-resolution satellite. Look at that rotation. Look at the eye that is formed. The well-defined storm about 611 miles from Miami. So we give you now the infrared perspective. We don't have to worry about using the sun to light the storm for us. So again, there is the well-defined eye. It is now sitting with winds of 115 miles per hour, gusting to 140, and again, roughly 600 miles from Miami. So here are the track scenarios. It's being guided by high pressure that's actually just now sitting under that. The speed of the storm will be determined by that. Now we get to Sunday, and that's going to be critical. If the storm is in the southern Bahamas, now all of a sudden the track that hangs along the coast is the much better option, and a bad news for folks up and down the east coast of Florida. If it's in the northern Bahamas on Sunday, okay, things are going faster. That then will take more of the storm inland, and as that happens, again, it may actually reach back to the Gulf. So watch the wind swath here. This is the European forecast model, which has been insistent on the hard right turn. There's Monday morning, 2 a.m. Look at those wind numbers that you see. There is your right turn, and then right up the coast, a la Matthew. And with that, you can see again, just staying off the coast, but that would absolutely batter the eastern shore of Florida. So for tonight, clear to partly cloudy, a mild night. We'll drop down to the upper 60s tomorrow. Let's go upper 80s, more humid, and there is that minimal rain chance, but basically it's just a partly sunny day for us. Your 8-day goes like this: mid-80s Sunday, a slightly better rain chance, lesser on Labor Day Monday. Most of next week ends up looking pretty hot.
Not too bad. We'll keep tracking.
Yep, and tomorrow mostly looks good.
All right, thanks, Bill.